Hello everybody, this is Nora and I have another experimental video here because yes, as you saw in my previous video, I have a new product which are these vinyls by La Costadora, and yes, I wanted to try these and see how they will go. These are my glitters from SheModern. This is a brand new one. I have not used it yet. It's gorgeous. It's a blue teal holographic glitter. Check it out. So what I want to do, and yes, I have my nail glue here. What I want to do, and I have, this is the mani that I did for the review of these vinyls. I will have the video linked down below in the description bar. But I have a gel hollow glitter here on my working hand. But I am going to do a test on my thumbs. What I want to do is grab one of these vinyls and see if I can, let's take this top off, use it with my glitter. But so you're going to see what the idea that I have on this. So kind of like use them like stencils, and what I want to do, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out this image. These swirls are so cool, and I'm going to place it on my thumb. It's kind of staticky. I have to pull it out, and let's do this a better way. Place it right here. Okay, so I have that position on my thumb right now. Let's make sure I press down really well on it. Make sure nothing bleeds. Because what I'm going to use, I'm not using any polish today. I am going to use this nail glue. Let's see if this is going to work. Now I'm going to keep my, well, yes, so what I want to do is give it a shake. I don't know if this is going to work. I haven't tried it. I don't know how it's going to work with this glue. Let's see. Okay, so what I'm doing, and I'm going to peel this off right away. These swirls are so much fun. And so you can already see the shape there that the vinyl left. But now I am going to let the glue dry. It will dry completely clear, and after that then I will apply the glitter and see what happens. So I'll come back when this is dry. See how it has completely dry clear. You cannot even see that image anymore. So let's see, I'm not sure, I'm trying to think what will be the best way to apply the glitter, whether to put it right on it, or let's try tapping it on. I just don't want to disturb the glue. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep doing this. And I know when I brush it off, it's going to help spread it. Ooh, that's so cool. Oops. I know that this probably hollow on hollow is probably overkill, or is it really? Okay, let's do this. Powder is so fine. It's only going to go where I have the glue. Oh yes, I forgot I had the little tail there coming. I was trying to cover the tip, but I had the tail coming off. Yeah, let me bring you closer. So here it is, you guys. What do you think? Let me change the lighting and it'll appear more obvious. Pretty cool. That's a really neat image. Also, now the other thing that I want to do, that's really cool, and I'm just, you have to do is use some cleanup and then apply top coat. So the other thing that I want to do is then grab this. I got some glitter on my, is use this as a stencil. Let me clean out my mess and I'll come back to this. Okay, so I am going to peel this off and then let's apply it to my thumb. Right here. So yes, now we're using this as for a negative space. Oh, that has a good stick to it. So now we're using this more as a stencil, and I do like to combine products, mix them up once I get them, and then come up with my own design ideas and combining products, guys. So yeah, let's see. Now what I want to do with that is now go ahead and apply the foil glue there. Make sure everything is covered. Peel this off right away. And there I see the shape. And we'll go ahead and let it dry. Glue has dried, so let's go ahead and drop in some of the glitter. Oh, it's so much fun to see this start to appear. So cool. Let's make sure the entire image is covered. Oh, how neat! How cool is that? Let's see. I don't know if I missed some of a little bit here towards the end. No, that's fine. Check it out, guys. Ooh, that's too cool. Too cool. So neat. And no, while it appears that I use a lot of glitter, guys, you really do not waste any. I mean, this a little bit of this goes a long ways. While it appears that you're dispensing a lot of it, when you tap it, you really are not. I mean, this will last more than a lifetime. Check it out. Check it out. Which one do you like best? It's hard to decide. Let me go ahead and top coat these, and I'll show you the final results. Alright guys, so here's the final result after 2 coats of top coat. Check it out. Check out the profile. Nice and glossy. Yes, when it comes to glitters and designs like this, do apply 2 coats of top coat. You know, that first top coat just seems to like get absorbed into the loose glitters like these, but let it dry completely and then go in with another coat and you get that nice, smooth, glossy finish, almost like a gel top coat. Check it out. So yes, I love it when you can combine products like these and they work so well together. I hope you guys like this review and this experiment. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.